Very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
sir.
Good afternoon. Now I am going to wish each and everyone personally. പറയില്ല എന്നാലും നാളെ വൈകിട്ടെന്ന് പറയില്ലേ So next class on this class I excuse this class. Next class onwards, if you don't wish me, I want wish. That's the thing. I will teach you how to wish. Last day, one parent came to me with their child. So she was very, very slim. Very, very slim. And I asked what happened. So mother told, let us come to our class. In the last class, we were talking about the tropical forests. Am I right? The tropical forest becomes the storehouse of evolution. Evolution happens. Changes happen. In the tropical forest, tropics of Cancer and the other one, Cancer and I forgot.
Capricorn.
Capricorn. 10 times Capricorn. Okay. Cancer and Capricorn, 23.5 south, 23 point north. This 47-degree space is called the tropical region, according to my geography. Tropical region. The forests in those areas are known as tropical forests. Tropical forest is thick forest where sunlight will not enter. Since sunlight is not entering there, the soil will be marshy land. If you enter there, your leg may go down, that much marshy. In the marshy land, there would be a number of insects and worms and all these kind of things. It is a house of a number of insects, living organisms or living beings, whether small or big. Clear now? So that is why it is known as storehouse of evolution. We are village people. Some people won't agree with that. Anyway, we are village people. In villages, people do the natural manure. Jaiva valam, isn't it? Natural manure. That is cow dung, leaf, all these things. They keep it at the bottom of the tree. After some days, what happens? A lot of mosquito type insects will be there. If you remove that leaf little bit up, inside there will be different kinds of small insects will be there. So if it is there in our area, residential area, how much it would be in a forest where marshy land is there for, where sunlight is not there. So it tells about the thick tropical forests. And when you are deforestating, what happens? You become a murderer. You become a murderer because when you are cutting the trees side by side, these insects are also extinct. Natural extinct of these insects. You see? Since the tropical forest is, in the words of Dr. Mears, the powerhouse of evolution, several species of life face extinction, death, as a result of its destruction, as a result of the destruction of the tropical forests. It means tropical forests. It has been well said. It has been well said that forests precede mankind. Everybody knows, another way, everybody knows the forest precede mankind. Before the birth of human being, there was forests. There are some questions. Seed is older or the tree, mango tree is older? Whether the tree, mango tree is older or mango seed is older? What is the answer? Without the seed, you cannot have a tree, sapling. Without the tree, you cannot have a fruit. So which is older? You may say simultaneously a tree with fruits came out. No. Origin is from tree. Origin is from tree. That is why before the mankind, tree was there. It has been well said. Everybody knows. That is the meaning. Everybody knows that forests precede mankind. Come before. Precede means precede. Come before. Precede. When we say pre, the meaning is before. Pre-KG. Pre-KG. A class before KG section. Pre-degree. We have studied pre-degree. You are studying +2. The +2 was before. It was known as pre-degree, a course, 2 years course before the degree course. Before the degree course. Pre-university course. Pre-university course. PUC. PUC. Pre-university. What is universities for degree courses? +2 is not degree, not a school also. Both are not. So it is a preparatory course. When I was studying in the very small, I am a village man. I am a village man. Pure village, Pakka village. Pakka village. So at that time people say, oh, after 10th, you have to climb the steps of college. College in the padi chauti karanam. Clear now? College in the padi chautan, Padanam padi pore. College in the padi chautanam. So we were thinking that always college will be in a high top hill and we have to climb up steps. These steps were known as college steps. Right? That we have not seen college. In the villages, there would be no college. In a large area, there may be some other government college. This kind of English medium schools and colleges were not there. Self-financing colleges were not there. Kilometers we have to walk to reach a college. And very many people won't go to colleges. At that time, +1 is in the college. So after 10th, you have to climb up the steps. There, climb up the steps means you have to go to a higher education institution. That's the meaning. But we potents, isn't it? We village people, isn't it? We village people. We thought that steps made with the bricks. Later we understood that this is the meaning. This is the meaning. In class 2, the class teacher taught Malayalam and she taught me, അമ്മ എനിക്ക് കാച്ചിയ പാൽ തരും, അത് കുടിക്കാഞ്ഞാൽ അമ്മ കരയും. എന്തിനാണ് അമ്മ കരയണത്? മകൻ അച്ഛനോളം വലുതാകണം. 4 sentences. Class 2, lesson number 2, over. No exercise, no fill in the blanks, no question answers, nothing. Oh. So, you are giving us these many works, isn't it? Your question, Kevin, you did not do any homework and you are giving us these many assignments, projects and all these kind of things. What your parents say, we could not study in an international school. Clear now. I could not do any homework, so you may do the homework, isn't it? Clear now. I could not do any homework, so you may do the homework. Let you do. So, what was the class 2, lesson number 2? Amma eniki kachiya paal tarum. Adu kudikkanal amma karayum. Amma tannengilale karayenda avashyullu. At that time, there was no boiled milk, only kattan kapi is there, isn't it? At that time, we are learning. Amma kachiya paal tarum. If the lesson was like that, Amma kattan kapi tarum, then we could understand. Years after, many years after, I understood the meaning of lesson number 2. Then only I passed class 2. I hope in the 1990s, I studied there in 1960s. I understood the meaning in 1990s. After 30 years, I understood the meaning. Really, I passed class 2 only in 1990s because I did not understand that lesson. You search it out. What is the meaning? After 30 years, you will get it. Clear now. I gave you one lesson. Today you ask your parents, Mama, what is the meaning? Amma eniki kachiya paal tarum. If I don't drink, Mummy will cry. When Mummy will cry? What is the reason of your cry? If you don't drink the milk, Mummy will scold you now. Mummy would scold you, but there it was written, Mummy would cry. Greater meaning, depth. That is a great literature. These 4 lines, a Mahakavyam. A great depth is there. I understood. It took 30 years to understand the meaning of that lesson. I will tell you later. The meaning of that lesson. You search it out. You ask your grandmother. Then grandmother, Mama will tell you. You ask your grandmother. Okay. So, we went from pre-seed, pre-university, pre-KG, everything we went there. Oh, okay. It has been well said that forests precede mankind. Deserts follow. Man is AD 1. Man is AD 1. Forest BC. AD 2000, desert. Clear now. The division is made by man. In the beginning, there were forests. Declarative sentence. There were forests. Man came in the forest. He stood. After the advent of man, after the coming of man, he began to cut the trees. Clear now? Later, what happened? All the forests were deserted. Before the coming of man, the whole earth was filled with trees. After the advent of man, the whole earth became Mottakunnu. Dry land. Clear now? That is the meaning. After the coming of man, the earth is desert. Deserts comes after the advent of man. The world's ancient patrimony. What is patrimony? Patrimony. Patrimony means the property that is handed over by the father. Pidriswat, inherited land, inherited property. Inherited property, the riches that was handed over by the parents. Sarvattu sottu. These are the words in Malayalam. That is what is called patrimony. That comes from a Latin word, Petrus. Petrus. Petrus means father. So, father's property. So, the world's ancient patrimony of tropical forests is now eroding, soil erosion, decreasing, losing. So, the forest is the patrimony. Forest is the patrimony. Our parents had only land. They didn't have any money with them. They had land. This land is full of trees, forests. Clear now? And the fathers handed over these forests to their children. Our patrimony was tropical forests, evergreen forests, is now eroding at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. This is a calculation 25 years ago. Before 25 years ago, every year 40 to 50 million acres were losing forests. Now, at that time, the world population was less than 100 crores. Now it is more than 700 crores, multiplied by 7. So 40 to 50 million crores you multiply by 7. 350 million crore acres. Minimum. See? And at that time, before 25 years, when we were very small, our intelligence was straight. Now it is crooked, curved one. Valanya buddhi. Instead of 40, 50 million, if you means the present people were there at that time, it would be 40, 100, 50, 100. Valanya buddhi alle. At that time, in a room, father, mother, 8 children would sleep. My father had 8 children. We were 8, football team, 2 volleyball team, isn't it? If we divide for 8 children, father and mother, 5 plus 5, 2 volleyball team. Clear now? 2 basketball team, Shibu, 2 basketball team. So, we 10 people were sleeping in a room, no problem. Now, if you are there, 10 people, 10 bedrooms should be needed. 10 rooms needed. If guest comes, 1 more room minimum. So, how large will be the house? So, how much you have to deforest? Coming to the point, isn't it? That much necessity, need is there. So how much trees you have to cut? Clear now? This is a calculation. This is not for examination. Just to understand, to have an awareness about the thing, the reality. This is a thing that the whole world is facing. We should be aware about. When we cut 1 tree, we have to think 10 trees. See, 40 to 50 million acres a year and the growing use of dung for burning deprives the soil of an important natural fertilizer. You see, when you cut these trees, its leaves were cut and put in the fields as manure at that time. When we were very small, there is no Factombos and urea. No kinds of insecticides. There were no insects. Insects will come. Mosquitoes will come. They will sit and kiss us and they will go. We won't kill them. Mosquitoes will come and sit on the ears. They may give us some songs and they will go. We enjoy their song. What happens now, Pranav? You may see the mosquito far away. You will go to that mosquito and you will kill them. You become an enemy to the mosquito. We were brothers to the mosquitoes. That is the difference. That is the difference. Formerly, we were playing with the cows and buffaloes. Now, if you go there, what the cows and buffaloes will do, they will kick you out with their legs. That's the difference. They can understand your nature because you consider them degraded. You consider them animals. We met them friendly. That is the thing. So at that time, manure was the leaves of these trees and cow dung. If the tree is not there, what will you give to the plants? You purchase Factombos. You purchase fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. Formerly it was not there. Only this much. Whatever we get from home, that will be given to them. So as we cut the trees, we won't get the natural manure for our needs. So we need unnatural, not natural chemicals. Where from will you get the chemicals? You have to dig the land. You are taking the weapons, agricultural weapons, and you are digging the soil. You are paining the earth. For what purpose? To take the chemicals from there. You see, if you read the lesson in such a way, we will feel the meaning. We will feel the meaning. You see, and the growing use of dung for burning here, dungs, people were used the cow dung, dry cow dung to burn instead of firewood. Instead of logs, they were using varadi. That is what it is used. The cow dung is mixed with the hay and it is dried. It is used to burn. So growing use of dung for burning deprives the soil of an important natural fertilizer. The World Bank estimates that 5-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed. If you cut one tree, plant 5 trees. That is needed. To meet with the expected fuel wood demand in the year 2000. If we want to meet this, one person has to plant 5 trees. Now it is 2021. So 5 trees is equal to 10 trees. This is the growing necessity of today. The rest we will see tomorrow. Okay. Bye.